Alright guys, welcome back. This is Brian with Van Cam and Spellcast. We're going to be opening a couple Phyrexia All Will Be One set boosters today. Let's dive in. These things have some pretty exciting cards, so let's see what we got coming up here. Ooh, starting off with a holographic in front. Ooh. This one's backwards, alrighty. Holographic. Mind Splice Apparatus. Flash at the beginning of your upkeep, put an oil counter on Mind Splice Apparatus. Instant and sorcery spells you cast cost 1 less to cast for each oil counter on Mind Splice Apparatus. Whoa! That's pretty good. Pretty good. Alright, nice. Look at that card. I like these designs they've got on these ones. They're pretty cool. Medicine Reach. Affinity for equipment. That's pretty good. Ooh, Apostle of Invasion. Got Lifelink there. Vigilance. Ooh. Silica Shepherd. Predator Steward. Alright. Holographic Full Art Land. I love it. Love it. All right, here we go. And then there's a little art card there for you. Nice. Alrighty. On to the next one. Dun, dun, dun. Alright, X-Gold Slash. So what's next? Evolved Spinoderm. 5/5 Phyrexian Beast. Evolved Spinoderm enters the battlefield with 4 oil counters on it. It has trample as long as it has 2 or fewer oil counters on it. Otherwise, it has hexproof. At the beginning of your upkeep, remove an oil counter from Evolved Spinoderm. And then if it has no counters on it, sacrifice it. Alright. Oh ho ho, look at this bad boy. That's pretty sick. Again, these arts. This is a Kethek Crucible Goliath, our second rare of the pack. Legendary creature, Phyrexian Beast. At the beginning of your end step, you may sacrifice another creature. If you do, reveal cards from the top of your library until you reveal a non-legendary creature card with lesser mana value. Put it on the battlefield, then put the rest on the bottom of your library in a random order. Huh. Could be pretty useful. Again, good look at that art. That's sweet. Ooh, another art like that. Quicksilver Fisher. Flying 4/3. And there's battlefield draw card, then discard card. What else we got? Skull Dweller. Toxic and Death Touch. Noxious Assault. Ooh, Toxic 6. Holy cats. It's going to sacrifice an upgrade token. Oh, yeah, these Phyrexian lands are just the best. They are so cool, you guys. Another art card there for you. Alright, one more pack to go. Let's do it. Ooh. So what's there? Alrighty, let's get to it. Terramorphic Expanse holographic one. I actually don't think I've ever seen one of those holographic. Alright, got a mythic here. Capricious Hellraiser. This spell costs 3 less to cast if you have 9 or more cards in your graveyard. Flying, when Capricious Hellraiser enters the battlefield, exile 3 cards at random from your graveyard. Choose a non-creature, non-land card from among them and copy it. Ooh. You may cast a copy without paying its mana cost. Not too bad. At random, though, that may make that a little bit less useful, but what is this? That is sick. And as battlefield tap unless you control 2 or fewer other lands. Look at that. That is awesome. That is great. Alright, we got another cool art here. Bonepicker Surge. Alright, yes, holographic Phyrexian Island. That is tight. And another good look at, ooh, look at that art card. Pretty sick. Alright guys, let's go through through some of these rares, give you another look at them. That land is pretty sweet. I wonder if that's worth anything. Got the Capricious Hellraiser, Kethek Crucible Goliath, Evolved Spinoderm, and a Mind Splice Apparatus. Alright guys, thanks for joining us today. We will have more to come, don't you worry. Have yourself a good one. Comment, like, and subscribe.